aroma. I don't understand. Asking you to break through. Alright, we're good. Okay. They're delicious, by the way.
They're amazing.
I'm cheating in Lent, ladies and gentlemen. I'm a Lent cheater. Okay, so I was gonna do that today because my mom was sending pictures. And I was like, pfft, and I dropped my pick. And it was in the middle of a song. I was like,
that's what you get for messing around during songs.
I didn't know the chords anyway.
Her life's a joke.
Half the time I don't know what the chords are. So I'm playing a song.
She just pretends.
You can't hear me. Good thing Ron can play. Is it sad that my tongue is stained yellow? That's what happened. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, do not get addicted to Mountain Dew. You know why? That'll happen.
Look at that face. Aren't I pretty?
Mm-hmm. I wish I could touch my. So that kind of. Is it possible to pull a muscle in your tongue? Because I think I did it once.
Probably.
How's life? Good. Good.
It's depressing because I can't keep returning to my I'm sorry, Matt.
Ah! We got that on tape too. That's good. Kind of like the times that we get Beej sticking his butt at the camera on tape. It happens too much.
Hey, Jesse. What color are your eyes? This one time, I was playing around with Rich, and I accidentally wiped this girl's C drive.
And she
came back. She's like, dude,
you wiped my C drive. And I was like, oops. Hey, Miss Idler, what color are my eyes?
Black.
Like your soul. I hit a weird note, and
hey guys, I gotta go get something to eat. Whoa. You cannot go out alone. We have to travel together. Don't you know everything?
Right.
I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry.
Alright, we're good. Me on mic! Okay. 20 minutes later.
But I need my computer for 4th period!
Too bad.
Do you realize you can stop checking your email? Because every time you get an email, a little window pops up and everything's okay.
I don't know what else to do. My teeth look really kind of white, which could probably not.
My teeth are disgusting. I can't wait to get my braces off because I can actually legit brush them.
Okay. It's a glorious feeling.
Serious issues! Oh my god! Shut.
Okay, it's not.
Going with the flow. That was totally